There is a valley in Umbria that time has chosen not to touch. And when you arrive, you realize that the green heart of Umbria, it is not only a metaphor. On this hillside, 480 meters above sea level, along the ancient Etruscan road between Orvieto and Tuscany, stands l'Antica Pietra, a 17th century hamlet of 2 stone farmhouses. Restored between 2022 and 2024, it offers 934 square meters, 11 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, and 5 independent apartments connected by a bridge. A place where wilderness and luxury meet, with a rare deconsecrated church preserved within the garden. The main farmhouse is arranged over 2 levels. The ground floor welcomes you with 2 large living rooms with beautiful patterned tiles, and a kitchen with personality, enhancing the home's sense of material depth and authenticity. From the terrace, you enter in 2 spacious living areas. From the living space, we arrive in 2 large bedrooms with ensuite bathroom. The bridge has its own identity. Inside, a private apartment with a unique perspective over the entire estate. The second farmhouse attracts immediately with 1 floor, this level, and the upper level. Three apartments set over 3 levels, each with independent access and complete privacy. Below the surface, we have 2 advanced technical rooms. Heat pump system with underfloor heating throughout the property, solar panels on the roof, and a private water well. A home that produces its own energy. Outside, 9,400 square meters of panoramic gardens open onto the surrounding valley with a swimming pool and a solarium that can become a gym or spa. L'Antica Pietra is for those looking for a different way of living. 5 independent apartments, roots in the Etruscan era, with technology in harmony with nature in the green heart of Umbria. Contact me for a private tour. I will personally guide you through it.